Buenas, Gracias here again and welcome to another Gracias vlog. On this video guys, so mag-a-unwind lang muna ang Gracia at medyo na kulob na sa kwarto ng for how many weeks. At lalabas-labas kami para mag-unwind lang guys. Kaya guys, sana panoorin itong video to. At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe. Paki-press na rin po ang tiny bell para notify kayo sa lahat ng aking new video. Kaya guys, ito, mag-a-unwind lang tayo. Manonood lang kami ng sine for 3 years. Ngayon lang namin uulitin. Magde-date lang ng konti. What's up guys? Ngayon po ay kami medyo na bored ng konti. At medyo lalabas ng konti sa kwarto. At manonood muna, mag-a-unwind muna ng konti. Kaya guys, tara samahan natin. Samahan niyo ako sa aming pag-a-unwind. At medyo matagal-tagal na namin ito ginawa. Mga 3 years ago pa. Wala pang COVID. Yung aming date. Good date daw. Tara, let's go! Guys, nandito na kami sa aming parking area. Kunin namin ating karag-karag na motor. Aming tormots na karag-karag again. Ayun na nga guys, nandito na kami sa Big C. At mag-a-unwind lang ng konti. Magde-date lang kami ng konti ng aking hal. Ha? Mag-a-unwind lang kami ng konti. Tara. Big C. Yan. Medyo maraming tao. Oh my God. Ang dami ng tao. Bukas na kasi ang sinihan ng Big C. Kaya guys, dito kayo sa Major Cineplex. Ang dami-dami ng tao. Magda-try tayo, pila-pila tayo. Tingnan natin. Ayun. English. Ano oras? 6:30. So, 6:30 pa pala yung English next. Movie ng English. Ito ang panonoodin namin, Doctor Strange. Yan. Sir, Doctor Strange, what time?
We have at 6 and 6:30.
It's on English,
Yes.
English version, 6 and 6:30 daw. Ano? Oo. Ano chipi sila? So, ito guys, nanonood kami at buko kami ng Doctor Strange. 6 o'clock? How much one, sister?
One ticket, you pay in baht.
I pay in Khmer.
In Khmer, 16,800
For one person.
Yeah, one ticket.
1,000, okay. Can I take 6 o'clock, huh?
You buy 2 tickets,
Yeah.
At 6 or 6:30 p.m.
6 o'clock.
Sister, you can choose the seat. The red is free here. It's available.
Oh, we need to choose daw. The upper one?
Sister have a 12 2 tickets.
On front,
Screen here.
Where's the screen? Over there.
Yes, over here.
So, this one available.
This is full.
This one full already.
Yes, full already.
Here? Full on.
Already.
So, left here. Oh.
That's okay, sister. It's easy, not difficult for you.
6:30
Can I have the seat for 6:30?
No, sister, because the people buy the ticket already. The seat is full.
Oh.
Ano daw?
Full na raw. If I change to 6:30, still full, The seat
Yes,
still full?
6:30 have
Still full?
not yet full, sister. Have a lot.
No, okay. I take the 6:30.
Here, Here.
Ayun, nag-choose pa ng...
Like ABC.
Saan tayo?
Ikaw, bahala ka. Ano
Hindi.
gusto mo?
Middle.
Choose the middle one.
Yeah,
This is the middle one.
Uh-huh.
To check in $9, sister.
$9, okay. How much is it in Khmer?
In Khmer,
Okay. So, bali 300. 3,000 eh? 37,802 tickets. It's $9 worth. So, ayan. Bayad kami na money ng Cambodia. So, ito na yung thank you. So, ito na. It's for 6:30. We take the 6:30. So, ayan. 6:30. Mag-wait pa rin kami. Ano oras na ba? Time check. Magsi 6 o'clock pa lang. So, wait pa kami ng another 30 minutes. So, yeah. Guys, meron na kami 2 tickets for 6:30. Nag-aantay ng mga manonood. Ayan, kakatuwa after 3 years. Ay, napapensok na kami, guys. Thank you. Na guys, ito yung loob ng aming Cineplex dito, guys. Ayan o. Picture pa yan. After 3 years na ulit-ulit ang aming date with Hal. Ano tayo? 2. This one is
1.
1 daw ba? O yun. Doon kami sa number 1. Pasok tayo ng here. Ayan. 19. So ayan guys, maganda naman yung place. So maganda naman yung place guys. So big naman and very accommodating. Oh, thank you, and the staff are very helpful. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Very helpful yung aming ano. Ayan, ito ang aming gitnang-gitna kami. Doon pala ako sa kabila. Wrong seats pala ako guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang aming pwesto. Sa taas kami at ito ang pinili ng aming hal. Ito may lalagyan dito. Ayan. So excited much. Ayan. Diyan, sa kabilang side mo, ilagay mo. Yan. Hindi. Dito. Sige. Akin na. Kaya na guys, medyo maganda yung place namin. At medyo hindi naman full, kaya okay lang mag-vlog ng konti. Guys, ayan. Nag-announce na ng Khmer yung kaya ayan. Hindi namin maintindihan. Ayan. Ayan na guys, nag-i-start na. Nag-i-start na guys. Ayan naman guys yung sine para lang din nasa Pilipinas at very maganda naman. Ayan. O diba? See you guys, matatapos muna ang movie namin. Manood muna kami. So ayun na nga guys, natapos na yung aming pinapanood na movie. So medyo okay naman siya guys at medyo naayos naman ang pelikula. So at least unti-unti nang bumabalik yung ating sitwasyon dito sa Poipet guys, kaya medyo okay na, medyo may libangan na guys. So maraming salamat for watching. Brother for accommodating me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.